War is the mother of invention. This holds true for Ukraine, which keeps innovating with their drone army. As their bomber drone with fixed wing can carry larger payload and have longer range. They can fly over a larger area, dropping high explosive dual-purpose grenade to damage and possibly destroy low-value targets in higher quantities, as their payload does not need to be reloaded after every strike. But this increased payload capability with dropping mechanism lets a new ability to present itself, which is carpet bombing. Here showing around 15 grenades being dropped in rapid succession after each other, letting a bigger area be effective in the bombing campaign. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.